Do you know which planets have winds? Jupiter has very strong winds and giant storms, including the famous Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth. Saturn is even windier, with some of the fastest winds in the solar system, though not the fastest. Venus has super rotating winds that move about 60 times faster than the planet's rotation speed. Mars has a thin atmosphere, but still experiences winds. While average winds are gentle, during dust storms they can reach up to 100 kilometers per hour, but the planet with the strongest winds in our solar system is Neptune. Its winds blow clouds of frozen methane at speeds of over 2,000 kilometers per hour, faster than the speed of sound on Earth.